Hey there, so you're traveling abroad and you want to know how you can watch the Super Bowl for free from anywhere. Well, there are two ways, and I'll show you both of them today. You can use the same process on your PC or Mac. The process is basically the same. Let's cut to the chase and get straight to the point. One way is to stream the Super Bowl on the Australian Channel 7 website. There are rumors that Channel 7 will stream it for free for all Channel 7 users. You just need to log into the Channel 7 website. You can make an account for free if you don't have one. However, if you're not in Australia, you won't be able to stream anything. In that case, you'll need to use a VPN to connect to an Australian server so you'll feel like you're right at home. I used ExpressVPN, which is the best option for me. To use it, open a VPN, find an Australian server in the server list, connect, wait a few seconds, then refresh the page and start streaming. The Super Bowl should be live and waiting for you when the event starts. Quick tip: if you have trouble streaming, try using incognito mode in your browser or clearing your browser cookies and cache. The other method is to use one of the streaming options with a refund option available, such as Fubo TV, which has a 7-day free trial. However, you need to be located in the USA to access Fubo TV. So if you're traveling outside the USA, you won't be able to use it. Instead, you'll just get an error screen. In that case, you'll need to use a VPN to connect to a USA server. If you don't have an account, make one, then select the plan you want. All plans come with a 7-day free trial that you can refund after the game if you choose to. I just made a new account for myself and started my free trial. It's pretty easy and straightforward. After that, log into Fubo TV and start streaming. Of course, there's no Super Bowl game yet, but it will be when it starts. For all of this, you'll need a VPN. I used ExpressVPN, which you can get with a discount. There's a link in the description. If you don't like ExpressVPN, I can understand that, but I really can't relate to that because it works great for me. However, you can check out our coupon page for discounts on some other VPN. The process is really similar. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and informative VPN videos.